it's very similar to the others. You've got quite a bit of movement, folks, in these tracks in particular, and it happens at both ends as well, so it won't necessarily favour one or the other. Spin's going to be a factor. I think it's going to be a bit of a battle. Average score here in the first innings has been that 143 mark. They're great players, right? So let's put another 10 or 15 onto it, but it's not going to be a 180, 190 plus wicket.
Well, it was pristine. I mean, the way West Indies batted, there's nothing wrong with the pitch. Chase got a little bit of spin as well. It looks pretty dry. It is grassless, and you can hit a lot of shots. Shea Hope was unstoppable, actually.
Any difference, though, this being a day game as opposed to a day-nighter?
I mean, few rough patches here and there, but nothing to alarm the batters. I think it's still going to play a lovely hand as far as batting is concerned.